Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. There are 3 fasteners securing the housing. After releasing the 3 fasteners, slide the corner tab out and lift the housing. Remove the old filter from the housing. Install your new AF4044 filter into the housing. It can only be installed with the housing in one orientation. Slide the tab in and re-engage the 3 fasteners. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.